Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'm going to introduce you to beautiful tools or website where you can design a diagram, you can make flowchart, and also it is also used for mind mapping. Most of the software developer use these tools. What is this? What this called? Draw or you type on Google. So this is the official website, app.diagrams.net. Okay, click on that, and this is the website. Okay, and let me translate it to English. So yeah, as you can see in the left side, you can use many shapes to draw your diagram, flowchart, and etc. And you can click on various. You can see many options. It's very useful if you are a software developer. It is free to use, and yeah, I will actually use every day in my job. So you can also use, you can click on advanced, you can do many things. For example, I'm going to and you can make bigger, you can make it smaller, and also yeah, the on the right side you can style your element, the background color for example, and you can also choose solid and many things. Yeah, you can choose the line like this, yeah. For example, you can draw like that, as you can see, this one, and you can make it bigger. Yeah, so that's you can use in your project, in your daily life, and it's also used, as I mentioned before, for mind mapping. Yeah, you can write something and you can use for many purposes. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you out with that. See you in the next video.